Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best stained glass foiler is probably one of the most crucial tools for any stained glass artist, and today, we're diving deep into the world of stained glass foilers. We'll explore how these tools work, why they're essential for preparing your glass pieces for soldering, and how to choose the right one to elevate your craft and achieve professional-looking results. Number 5. FID Stained Glass Tools 4 Pieces. This set includes 4 burnishers in 2 different styles. They are practical tools designed to meet your stained glass handicraft needs. It's easy and smooth to operate, mainly for polishing the foil. These tools are made of flexible, sturdy plastic. They are not easily worn, bent, or deformed during use. The smooth surface and edges ensure safe and long-term use, providing a satisfactory experience. The tools come in 2 sizes, making them suitable and portable. They are simple and effortless to hold and use. This helps lighten the load on your fingers while creating stained glass, allowing you to create delicate crafts. These plastic tools are ideal for stained glass work. The curves are well designed for smoothing and grinding foil around glass edges. It's also good for opening channels in alloy products, simplifying your work and saving time. This stained glass set is great for stained glass and other handcrafts. You can give them as gifts to craft lovers, improving their work efficiency and strengthening relationships. What we like. This set includes burnishers in 2 different sizes, catering to various project needs. Made from sturdy plastic, it ensures longevity and smooth foil application. If you're looking for a versatile set that simplifies foil polishing and restoration work, this is a great choice. What people say. Perfect for stained glass projects. These have a nice feel and do a good job of burnishing copper foil to glass. Great set of tools for my stained glass projects. Number 4. SGI Foil Dispenser. This is the SGI Foil Dispenser. It's designed to make your foil dispensing tasks easier and more efficient. With this, you can say goodbye to tangled foil and wasted time. The dispenser features a built-in cutting mechanism. It allows you to get a clean, precise cut every time. It's simple to use and saves you valuable time. Built with quality materials, this dispenser is made to last. It's a reliable tool that you can depend on for all your foil dispensing needs. You will find it very useful. Loading the foil is a breeze, and the dispenser is very user-friendly. It's designed for ease of use, so you can get started right away. It's a great addition to any workspace. The SGI Foil Dispenser is the perfect solution for anyone who uses foil regularly. It streamlines your workflow and improves efficiency. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This dispenser streamlines the foiling process, making it faster and more accurate. It's designed to save you valuable time and effort. If you're a stained glass artist who values efficiency and precision, this tool will be a game changer. What people say. Easy to load, easy to use dispense foil when working on pieces. Love that it keeps the foil rolls organized and straight. Tape dispenses from the bottom so foil stays tidy. This product is great for helping me foil all of my pieces. Number 3. Table foiler for stained glass. This foiler is designed to save you time and effort. It makes the foiling process faster and more accurate, so you can finish your projects more quickly. The mounts can accommodate different sized foil. It includes 732, 316, and 14, with 3 wheels included for your convenience. The foiler is portable, so you can take it anywhere. It gives you the freedom to work on your projects at your preferred location. Using this foiler helps keep foil centered. The result is stronger solder joints and a more polished final product. This tool is easy to use. It will help you to create beautiful stained glass projects. What we like. This foiler is designed to save you time and effort, making the process faster and more accurate. It accommodates different foil sizes, ensuring versatility. If you value portability and want to work on your projects anywhere, it's perfect for you. What people say. Once you figure it out, what a time saver, cut my foiling time in half. Very, very easy to use. It took me about 5 minutes to get a feel for it, then I was off to the races. I did multiple shapes and sizes and the foil went on so quick. This foiler cut down on my taping time. It also makes the application more even. Worth the purchase for stained glass work. Number 2. Stained glass tools set. This set includes 4 plastic fid burnishers, perfect for stained glass projects. They come in 2 sizes to meet different needs. These tools will help you create beautiful crafts. The tools come in 2 sizes, approximately 4.72 by 1.02 inches and 8.07 by 0.94 inches. This variety ensures you have the right tool for the job. They are designed to make your work easier. The package includes 4 burnishers, 2 long and 2 short. These tools are essential for smoothing and shaping foil around glass edges. They are practical and useful for any stained glass artist. These plastic fids are ideal for smoothing and grinding. They are also great for opening channels in alloy products. This set simplifies your work and saves time. Made of flexible, sturdy plastic, these tools are built to last. They won't easily wear, bend, or deform. The smooth surface ensures a safe and enjoyable experience. This stained glass set is a great gift for craft lovers. Give them to friends to improve their work efficiency. It's a thoughtful present for anyone who enjoys crafting. What we like. This set includes burnishers in 2 different sizes, catering to various project needs. Made from sturdy plastic, it ensures longevity and smooth foil application. If you're looking for a versatile set that simplifies foil polishing and restoration work, this is a great choice. What people say. Products work exactly as expected. Love how easy these make it to wrap the sole around glass pieces. The fids smooth the copper foil just like they are supposed to. Number 1. Old Master Copper Foil Solder Flux 8 ounces. This flux is designed for stained glass projects. It comes in an 8-ounce bottle and is an all-purpose zinc flux. It helps to clean up the solder easily with water. This flux is perfect for a variety of soldering tasks. It ensures a clean and strong bond. This product is a must-have for any stained glass artist. After soldering, cleaning up is a breeze. You can easily remove the residue with water. This feature saves you time and effort. The flux comes in a convenient 8-ounce size. It provides plenty of product for multiple projects. You will find that it is easy to handle and store. This flux is specifically designed for stained glass work. It ensures a strong and lasting bond. It is a reliable choice for both beginners and experienced crafters. What we like. This flux is an all-purpose zinc flux, perfect for various stained glass projects. It cleans up easily with water, making your work easier. If you're looking for a reliable flux that simplifies the cleaning process, you should consider it. What people say. We needed this to complete our latest stained glass project. We have used it before, so knew what to expect. It worked well. Good flux for use in making stained glass projects and from a name brand in the hobby. This product is great for use with solder when making stained glass panels or objects. It was made specifically for stained glass applications and this 8-ounce bottle is a good value. I'm sure if you use this flux, your solder will stick well to the copper foil and will give a great look to your art project. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.